Oh my god. And this is only my yard. Did you find one?
Here, come on.
Okay.
If you're not going to be recording, pause it. And then hit the record button again.
I'm recording. Whoa. I can't just pause it and go back to recording the same video. I have to restart a new one.
I know.
Let's take a walk this way.
Should we walk that way?
Yep. This isn't as bad as Deer Path.
Or you can put it on YouTube.
Mm-hmm. I can't believe a tornado was right next to us. And our house didn't get destroyed.
No, it got hit though. See? You can see the big tree right there.
Oh yeah. Wait. It didn't.
The video. Are you recording?
Yeah. Well, it didn't get destroyed. That's the good thing. This is the first time I've been in a tornado. Interesting to me. Look at all the construction going back there. Yeah, except for falling trees and a bunch of leaves. So we
We should go back the other way so we can see it.
yeah,
Hit the pause button.
back over. No, I can't or else it's a new video.
Huh?
I'm gonna keep it like this.
Oh, it starts a new one?
Yeah. So now we are going to go over to
See, there's a branch on top of the house.
Oh yeah. So now we're going to go over to Deer Path where it's really bad. Trees have fallen, power lines are down. You have to be careful around here now. So interesting.
Toilet flew out of the house.
It flew out of the house? That's hilarious.
Why do you walk sideways?
Ah! God. We're good over here in my neighbor's yard. Nobody lives here. Not a lot of damage came into that one, except for falling branches.
Yeah, coffee.
So you got Monster.
Monster. You want to see the backyard?
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
I need to see that.
I just saw Lexi phone at the stop sign. So all our stuff went that way.
Did you find it all?
I fixed my tomatoes yesterday. They're all over. But they're like half like that now. Look, I got like. I fixed them last night. I'm like, why are you worried about them?
Yeah, I saw
I
you
think
guys
this is
there.
yours or.
Yeah, it is mine.
Wait, that's
How
the
dare you
two.
take it? Yeah. I know. I told Tony, I was like, hey, you got some of my bets.
It's fun.
They got some of them.
It's on my screen.
Whoa. I need to see it.
The house, too.
That's amazing. Audrey. We saw Audrey's house. It's a wreck there. What happened to it? Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, did you see the pole, too?
No.
The pole is split.
We had to climb out this way when we went out yesterday. Too, Dad got 2 blocks over that way. So when we decided to leave, we had to go out this way because they wouldn't let us go that way. We walked through this way. We had to walk underneath the trampoline and out that way.
Hey, no hunting or trespassing. Yeah, where are they at?
They were home last night. They don't talk to us though. I don't know why. They told me to tell people. And they're going to call BCF on them. That's on them. So they lie to tell him.
Oh,
They won't hang out and
It is so
it's
interesting.
weird. Unless it's a weird, a very weird summer, so wanted to see the piano, but you didn't go that way. You didn't go that way.
So much things.
All right.
So now we're gonna see Deer Path.
Yeah, we go down your path.
See how it's done so far. Whoa.
Find Doug's house.
This is what happened to Audrey's house. No construction ahead, which my dad put that sign. So much. Even the sign got ruined. So many scratches and stuff.
No, the sign flew. I grabbed it, put it back up.
Cool. Got scratches on it. Is that supposed to happen?
What?
Scratches on it?
Flew. It flew all over.
Whoa. This is just one house that got ruined.
In the cars.
It's like a waterfall. It smells good.
Fine.
Can't believe how much things got destroyed over here.
Yeah, well, there's cars buried underneath this tree.
Yep. You could see that. I can see my shadow. Oh yeah, I see it. It's all over. Now I really want to go on a trampoline.
Yeah, I don't think we can anymore.
Not until it's fixed or they get a new one.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna fix it.
They probably will. It's not so bad once you go more forward.
Yeah, they got a tree down in front of their house too. Oh, basketball hoop bent. Walk straight.
Sorry, I can't. I don't walk straight.
I know.
It looks like everybody's fixing the mess.
Kind of. Looks like that side's blocked off too. Maybe.
It's a little bit.
You guys get hit bad? Pretty bad. Any damage on trees? Oh, of course. Yeah.
Especially in our backyard.
Right now we're working around this area.
Yeah.
You get any? You didn't.
I'll take a card. I'm renting it for my mom. I didn't even show my mom the videos yet, so I haven't even gone out that way.
And usually how it goes, you call insurance to give you the heads up.
Yeah.
We work with insurance, so that's not a problem.
Sweet.
All right. Take care. Hopefully
All right.
you guys this clears up.
Yeah, we'll see.
All the damage here. All of the
All the memory?
no, all the damage.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to one. It hits so far on Gray's Lake. And also Gurnee. Power line. Giant stick.
took out it?
No, I didn't take it out. But it took out some of the neighbors' roof.
It's all been going.
That's alright. I'd say. Not too bad.
Until you look in the backyard.
Oh yeah, until you look in the backyard. Yeah, we had 15 seconds. Oh yeah, last night. We got the emergency on our phones.
Right.
So I got up, was gonna go check out back, and then all I hear is a branch come down. And we ran downstairs.
I was already downstairs sick.
Yeah.
You got the day off today?
I wouldn't say that. Nah, I gotta go to court today. I thought it was gonna be the morning, but nah, it's this afternoon.
Oh, okay. That sucks.
We went to
Yeah.
the fair yesterday and I got
Did you?
sick.
That was the last day, I think.
Yeah.
It was.
She got a little dehydrated.
I threw up lemonade twice.
That's a little harsh.
Yeah, burns a little bit, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I got water and I felt better.
Are you keep walking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go by
Take
Nick's
care,
house.
man.
All right.
I had fun at the Lake County Fair yesterday. I had fun at the Lake County Fair.
You what?
I had fun at the Lake County Fair.
I know. It is fun.
Yep.
It is fun.
Funnest place in Grays Lake every year.
Oh, look at that tree. See how it's stripped down?
Yep. Are we going to walk down there now?
Yeah, might as well.
And that's probably all we're going to be walking.
What?
That's probably all we're going to be walking.
Yeah.
This road looks better than this one. How is that even possible?
Where it's gonna go? Really? Could shift like crazy.
Well, yeah. So many people were out and walking. Now they're all inside their houses with no power around Grace Lake and Gainey.
He was talking. Oh, that used to be a pole. It's not anymore.
It looks like a power line. It's bent.
Oh no, that's cable and AT&T.
Cool.
This is the power line right there. Don't touch that.
I know. I was like a centimeter away from touching it. I don't want to.
Look at that roof. Over here.
Julian's house got destroyed on the top. Car.
It's starting to get a little warm.
But yeah. Looks like the car got hit.
Huh?
Is that always there in the car?
I don't know.
I don't think
Let's go
so.
back.
Huh?
Let's go back. Bike fall over or no? Oh, they're loose?